foundation, I used my favorite Too Faced foundation Born This Way in Vanilla. And I already set my brows kasi kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng how I do my foundation and brows. Ang gagawin natin is maglalagay ng loose powder sa under eyes para safe sa fallout and para ma-highlight and ma-bake na rin yung face natin. Put some din dito sa jawline. To prime my eyelids, I'm going to use the Essence 2-in-1 eyeshadow primer. This is in nude beige. So, ilalagay ko lang siya sa eyelids like this. So, you have to apply it evenly para hindi buo-buo. The brush set that I'm going to use for today is yung Fierce brush set from Cersei Cosmetics. Ito yung isa sa pinaka-kompletong brush set ng Cersei. The palette that I'm going to use for today is yung must-have palette from Beauty Glaze. So, super ganda itong palette na to. So, using a blending brush from the brush set. So, gagamit tayo ng transition shade, which is this one, yung parang flesh. This parang tapered blending brush, I'm going to apply a darker shade, which is this one. A smaller eyeshadow brush, I'm going to mix these colors, yung black and yung parang medyo dark violet na color. Kung itsura niya papasok kasi mamaya maglalagay tayo ng silver. The blending brush na ginamit natin kanina and yun sa medyo flesh. So, i-blend lang natin yung colors para walang harsh edges and para magmukhang light pa dark yung colors, yung eyeshadow. Next color is yung parang dark brown. So, kung saan natin siya ginamit, doon din natin siya ulit ilalagay para ma-blend out lang yung color. And I'm going to use yung lightest shade here, parang pearl white na color using a flat brush. Wala. Another palette from Beauty Glaze. Ito yung favorite ko, yung Glitz Glam eyeshadow. So, combination to ng mga matte and mga glitter. So, I'm going to use this silver color. So, palette, I'm just going to line my waterline using the same colors kanina. So, nag-start tayo sa light. So, pa-dark yung gagawin natin. A gel liner. So, this brush set also has a gel liner brush. So, ito siya. Meron siyang ganyan. For my mascara, I'm going to use my ever-favorite Maybelline Hyper Curl. So, I like to put mascara kasi first before ako mag-falsies. Going to use this Red Cherry false lashes in number 115. So I'll just put this and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're done with the eyes. So, ibabrush lang natin yung powder. Using this large, parang face brush na tapered, I'm going to use my Delancey contour palette. And we're just going to contour the sides of the face. For my blush, I'm going to use Nishido's powder blush in tomato. So using the same large brush, so we're just going to apply the colors right here. So may konti lang, so gusto natin medyo strong yung look. So for the highlight, I'm going to use this brand new Northern Lights Glow Palette from Focal. So ito yung itsura niya, guys. Glow palette to. So, sa loob, ganyan siya. Wow. Wow. Ang pigmented niya, oh. Highlight kung highlight. Everything is dark na. I'm going to use matte in details. Simply matte in the shade Lovely. Ganda yung color niya, no?
Your eyes light up, your hands on my face, and all the world fades, and it's just us. I feel the same, but different too.